नमस्कार एंड गुड इवनिंग। आज हम नोसिल लिमिटेड के Q2 रिजल्ट्स के बारे में सोचेंगे। नोसिल बिलोंग्स टू अरविंद मफेटलाल ग्रुप। मैनेजमेंट टीम में ऋषिकेश ए मफेटलाल चेयरमैन एंड प्रमोटर बोथ, S.R. Dev, Managing Director. It is the largest rubber chemical manufacturer in India. It has experience in the management has experience in this rubber chemicals business for over 4 decades. The factories at two places are both Navi Mumbai and Dahej. Both are state-of-the-art, innovative, sustainable and competitive technologies are used there. Now, wide range of rubber chemicals are being manufactured at both the places to suit the customer's needs. NOCIL has got long-term, very good business relationships with all the tire majors, both internationally and domestically. Now, it has got a strong marketing and distribution and service network. It is certified in many ways for quality, health, safety, environment, etc. and also environment friendliness. It has been awarded a Responsible Care logo by Indian Chemical Council. Now, the plants, as I already told, one is at Navi Mumbai and another is at Dahej. Navi Mumbai plant is located in Belapur Industrial Zone. It is for designated for chemical industry itself, 40 kilometers from Mumbai. State-of-the-art technology is used and all sorts of rubber chemicals are being manufactured here. The second one is Dahej. As we know, Dahej is in Gujarat, located 45 kilometers from Bharuch. And location is very near to chemicals and petrochemical industry. Excellent connectivity to the Dahej and Hazira port. Fully automated continuous process plant developed completely in-house. Now, the products can be broadly grouped into a few groups. One is accelerators. The accelerators, they speed up the process of vulcanization to improve the productivity. So, accelerators is the first group. Then, anti-degradants and antioxidants. It is also an ingredient which deters the aging process of the rubber and inhibits degradation due to oxygen attacks. So, accelerators and anti-degradants and antioxidants. Then third is a specialized application. There you have pre-vulcanization inhibitor, post-vulcanization inhibitor, zinc-based applications, etc. So, it has become a one-stop shop for a wide range of applications for the tire industry especially and rubber industry in general. NOCIL's research center is also state-of-the-art and it is continuously engaged in developing new applications and new products. It is recognized by Government of India. And the R&D center focuses on process development, scale up, how to make the company bigger, and commercial implementations, etc. Environmental strategies, and whatever customers' needs are there based on the further research. Now, these rubber chemicals which NOCIL manufactures constitute around 3 to 4% of the overall rubber consumption. And every year demand is being added to the rubber chemicals very nicely. The automotive and the tire industry is growing at 12 to 4% per annum, and it will grow in that range at least for the next 4 to 5 years. Domestic tire industry has committed huge amounts for expansion. Therefore, that expansion will reflect on rubber chemicals expansion also. Therefore, there will be continuous demand for rubber chemicals. Now, in India, as we all know, cars purchase and car maintenance is still very low. 1 in 100 or something like that only is there, perhaps. I do not know the exact statistics. But car penetration is very low. And incomes are rising. Therefore, car penetration will increase, the tire demand will increase, therefore, rubber chemicals demand also will increase. And NOCIL has state-of-the-art technology and high value added products are being manufactured here. What are the key strengths of NOCIL? NOCIL has established itself as a very dependable player and a quality conscious player. It has got a wide product range in rubber chemicals, and with the customers it has got strong relationships, and it is continuously expanding its product range and adding capacities. So it is committed for very good future growth. Lots of plans are there. Now, let us see the Q2 performance. Revenue is 272 crores compared to 228 crores in Q2 FY18, which is a growth of 19.5%. So revenue has grown by 19.5% to 272 crores. Profit before tax has grown by 39.7%. 39.7 growth in PBT to 76 crores. Profit after tax has grown by 38.8% or say 39% to 53 crores. So it is growing at a healthy pace. Profit margins have grown to 19.4% in this Q1 against 16.7% in Q1 of FY18 and 15.1% in Q1 FY16. 19.4%, before that 16.7%, and before that 15.1% in Q1s of each year. One significant thing what we notice is interest is zero, which means debt is either not there or very low. Now, the market price currently is 157. Volume is quite sizable, so there is no problem for buying and selling. Volume of transactions is also very important thing that you will have to look for. NOCIL has no such problem. 52-week low is 140, 52-week high is 237. Now our market price 157 is slightly low, closer to 52-week low only. Face value is rupees 10. Year ago it was 180.60, something like that. It is now current price is much lesser than the year ago price. Now the basic EPS, quarterly EPS is 3.20. Based on that, price earning is 12.27, which is neither too low nor high. In a normal market, NOCIL can command 15, 16 or even 20 also, because its expansion schemes and profitability are definitely going up. Let us see the expansion schemes. Expansion is a very key growth driver for any company, and NOCIL is always at it. Here, there are two phases in its capex. One is funded 170 crores by internal accrual only, and it is to be finished. It was announced in March 17 last year. At Navi Mumbai, the expansion has been completed and commercial production has started in Q1 Q1. Now the expansion at Dahej, commercial production is will start in Q3 of FY19. So in Q1, Navi Mumbai expansion has been completed, and now commercial production has started. That at Dahej will start by Q3. This is phase 1 expansion at 170 crores. Now phase 2 capex expansion at 255 crores. That also for expansion of rubber chemicals, production at Dahej and Navi Mumbai announced in December 17, and both to be completed. Another is announced in January 18, December 17 and January 18, and commercial production will be by end of the first half of next year, FY 1920. So there is a continuous expansion going on. All this capex is funded by internal accruals. Now the expansion, so by FY 1920 end, that's H1 end. So that's what we are saying. The asset turnover will become double, 2x. So NOCIL has performed reasonably well. Profit has grown by sizably 38.8% year on year. Growth is quite good. Revenue growth is 19.5%. Net profit growth is 38.8%. But prices are currently nearer to the 52-week low, which is 140, but currently it is at 157. So attractive pricing, but still price earning is at 12.27 because NOCIL is considered a strong player. It will be always profitable, something like that is the perception of the market also. So it has got excellent expansion schemes, and all of them will be profitable. Therefore, NOCIL is a good addition to anybody's portfolio, but it has not been a multi-bagger. Whether it will be a multi-bagger in the future, we cannot say. So, देख लीजिए, it is a dependable player. It will grow reasonably in a normal market, but in an abnormal market like the present, nothing is growing. So one report recently in Money Control said 6 lakh crores have been wiped out in October or something like that. So the market sentiment is like that. The correction phase is so deep at present, but this is also the time to bag good scripts at low prices. The correction is not going to be there always. It will definitely go some time or other. Therefore, get good scripts into your portfolio now. Dispose of bad scripts, suspect scripts, doubtful scripts, the scripts which are facing rumor, this, that, so many things. So, get good, dependable scripts for the future. You will definitely become rich if you adopt sound portfolio management strategies, which I am mentioning periodically. But this period, all people's, everybody's portfolio is going down. Yours also may go down. That cannot be helped because it's a deep correction phase. So, but let us wait for the completion of the correction phase. It will definitely go, and you will definitely reap rich rewards if you follow these principles. Thank you for listening. Be a long-term player in the stock market, not a short-term player. Long-term investors will always gain much more than the short-term players. And if you follow fundamentally strong portfolio management strategy, in the long term you will be becoming very rich, no doubt about that. Thanks a lot for listening. I will be back with you with another good script.